Hello friends, आज हम सीखे लिक्की बस.
Two little dicky birds
Two little licky bus
sitting on a wall.
sitting on a wall.
One named Peter.
One leg Peter. One leg Paul. One leg Paul.